Most amazing fire trucks in the world. We will give you data about the top 10 fire truck in the world. Noteworthy new age fire engines furnished with strong water cannons, which are involved by crisis administrations for quenching fires in backwoods or air terminals all over the planet. 1. CAS-30. It is an exceptionally portable 4x4 vehicle based on the case of a Tatran 815 truck in the Czech Republic. It is intended to move both out and about and across extreme territory, as well as fight woodland fires. It is 46 feet long and weighs 35,200 pounds. It has a 435-pull motor that can accomplish 62 miles each hour. It has 3 water cannons and 2 hoses that can heave 790 gallons of water each moment. Its tanks hold a sum of 1,200 gallons of water and 50 gallons of putting out fires froth. 2. Lion 4x4. It is another very flexibility 4x4 truck produced in Turkey that is intended to be utilized in air terminals and to answer rapidly to any type of crisis. Outfitted with serious areas of strength for 2 cannons that can release 1580 gallons each moment and are controlled electronically. 3. MT Airport Buffalo. A 6x6 truck with a measured plan was underlying Austria on a Mercedes Benz Cetros 3348 truck frame. It traverses 33 feet long and weighs 64,000 pounds and is intended to extinguish air terminal flames quickly and really. Its tanks hold 600 gallons of water and 200 gallons of firefighting froth, and it can release 925 gallons of water each moment. It likewise includes a powder quenching framework with a limit of 115 pounds, a 480 drive engine, and convenience for 4 individuals, and is found 755 feet far off. 4. Falcon 6. It's a vehicle made in the United Arab Emirates that is intended to extinguish blazes in air terminals. It's 39 feet in length, weighs 79,000 pounds, and contains serious areas of strength for 2 guns, 2 hoses, and 5-story sprinklers. 5. Panther 6x6. It's a multipurpose superior exhibition truck made in Austria that actions 37 feet in length and weighs 72,700 pounds. It's utilized in enormous air terminals where vehicles with high stifling limit are required. It has a 750-pull motor and can accomplish rates of 75 miles each hour. 6. Ziegler 6. It is a trustworthy truck with extraordinary power and speed increase that was implicit Germany. It estimates 38 feet long and weighs 86,000 pounds. Fueled by a 770 drive motor, can arrive at velocities of 75 miles each hour. It is outfitted with 2 strong water guns that can oust a sum of 2,900 gallons each moment. Its tanks can hold 3,700 gallons of water, 440 gallons of firefighting froth, and 115 pounds of firefighting powder, and it can advance from 0 to 50 miles each hour in less than 28 seconds. 7. Lion 6x6. It's a high-limit, elite execution truck made in Turkey. It's 41 feet in length and weighs 92,500 pounds with a 770-pull motor and 2,200 foot-pounds of force. It can work in temperatures going from 25 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Its solid water guns can discharge up to 2,600 gallons each moment, and its tanks can hold 3,700 gallons of water, 450 gallons of firefighting froth, and 115 pounds of firefighting powder. It seats 6 individuals and can advance rapidly from 0 to 50 miles per hour in 30 seconds. 8. Tigan. It's a secluded rough-terrain truck based on the skeleton of a Tatran 815 truck. It's 40 feet in length, weighs 94,700 pounds, and seats 5 individuals. It has a 700 strength motor and can arrive at 62 miles each hour. Its tanks might hold up to 2,300 gallons of water, 225 pounds of firefighting powder, and 925 liters of firefighting froth. The front water cannon can shoot 525 gallons of water each moment from a distance of 230 feet, while the upper water gun can fire 500 gallons from a distance of 330 feet. 9. Magirus Super Dragon X8. It is a colossal limit, exceptionally flexibility vehicle made in Germany to give outrageous execution and unwavering quality in case of a crisis. It is 40 feet in length and weighs 114,000 pounds. 10. Felix 8X8 Titan. It is a vehicle with a huge smothering limit that was underlying Poland. It is 44 feet in length and weighs 100 pounds. It has a sum of 4 seats and is controlled by 2 motors with a joint result of 1,300 drive. It has 900 gallons of water, 420 gallons of firefighting froth, and 115 pounds of firefighting powder in its tanks. It has a water gun fitted in a pressure-driven arm with a scope of 64 feet that can discharge 2,000 gallons each moment, as well as a penetrating gadget that can house 290 gallons each moment inside designs or planes. So these were all about most amazing fire trucks in the world. Like and subscribe to the channel, give a comment in case of any questions and confusions, and also must click on the bell icon.